So we have learned the more than, we have learned the less than. Now it's time to learn what is before, what is after, and what is between. So I have picked the highlighter here. uh, the question is saying look at the number line. If you look the number line, this is a number line. um, if you see here 249, 250, 251, 252, 253, and 254, and so on. These are count on in ones. So start from 249 and then adding 150, adding 151, adding 152, and then it's up to 256. So this is a number line, and you can see on a number line that 249 comes before 250. So what is before concept? If the question is asked you check the number before 250, so you have to check the number exactly back, exactly before the number, before the number which question is asking to you. The question is, if the question is asking you about 250,
Sir, page number what?
page number 17. If the question is asking you about the number, what number comes before 250? Before means I'll go back here and check this number. So the number is here 249. That's mean 249 comes before 250. That's mean 249 comes before 250. 249 here comes before 250. Now what you need to check, you need to check what number comes after 250. After means you have to check forward, you have to check ahead. What numbers come after 250? So if you see this number line, so this is 250, and uh, if I talk about what number comes after 250, so that will be 251. Okay, but here the question is we are looking at what number comes after 251. So I will check forward here. After 251 what comes? It's 252. I will check one number ahead. I'll check forward for for after. For before I will check back, and for after I will check forward. Okay, now let's come to the concept of between. Between means the number which is in the middle. Okay, let's suppose if I ask you what number comes after 254, you say 255. And if I say what number comes before 256, so you will say 255. That's mean 255 is in between 254 and 256. Same here. If I ask you what number comes after 250, you will say 251. And what number comes before 252, you will say 251. That's mean 251 is in between 250 and 252. So in between means the number which is in the middle. Okay. So 255 comes after 254 and before 256, because 255 comes after 254 and before 250. That's why you can say it's between 254 and 256. So you for between you will say the number before or the number after. That's mean it is in between. If the same number, if you check after the number, after the day 254, the same number before the 256, same number. So that's mean that number is in between. So let's do some practice. If I ask you about a number line, I'm not going to show you a number line, but I'm going to ask you a question. If I ask you that what number comes after 253, so what you will say? What number comes after 253? Yes, guys, do answer. What number? What number comes after 253? Two. Yes, it's 254. And if I ask you what number comes before 253, what number comes before 253?
252.
Yes, exactly. That is
252.
250. Very good. Now, if I ask you what number comes after 250, after 250?
251.
251. Very good. The answer is 251. And if I ask you what number comes before 252, so what you will say? Before 252.
451.
259. And if I ask you what number comes between 250 and 252, between 250 and 252, what number comes? What is the answer? 250. Very good, very good. Now I hope it is clear to you. If you have any question in this topic, you can ask. Any question?
Sir,
Yes,
sir,
yes.
do we write this?
No, don't need to write it. Don't need to write it. This is just to make you understand. We will have practice and testing zone in the book on the next pages. Okay.
Sir,
Now, yes.
page number what?
Now open page number 18. Open page number 18 of your book. Page number 18. Okay. So I hope you have opened page number 18. This is the number actually. The topic is now escape counting. Topic is now escape counting.
Sir, I did that yesterday.
What yesterday? Okay, guys. Now escape counting. So we are going to study now escape counting. We have learned the concept of less than. We have learned the concept of more than. We have learned the concept of before, after, and between. Now it's time to learn escape counting. So what we have to do here, we have to check some pattern here, some sequence here. So the question book is saying look at this number pattern: 163, 164, 165, and then missing number, then 167, 168, 169. So we have to find out the missing 166. Very good. How we will find out? We will check the pattern in this series. You'll see that this is on the ones here 3, on the ones here 4, on the ones here 5. That's mean the series is adding one only one. 163 plus 1, 164. 164 plus 1, 165. So 165 plus 1 will be the answer. So 165 plus 1, 165 plus 1, the answer will be 166, right? In the same way, if you have number line like this, having the difference of only 163, 164, 165, 166, so it is very easy to you. You can see after 165 what comes, it's 166. So you can easily check from after 165 what is coming next, right? So this was we are studying escape counting in ones. This means if the countings are skipped in only ones. So if I check this pattern is starting from 163 and these all are count on in ones. Only ones is added. So we will add 1 to find the next number. Now if you check escape counting in twos, we got it now. 166 is the answer. This is escape counting in twos. Okay, so we have to check this mean we have on the first skip counting once we see that only we need to add one and one and one. But here if we look at the pattern, the first number is 251, then the second number is 249, 251 and 249. Okay, if I subtract this, so I'll get, so you don't need subtraction with regrouping. So if you check, yes, 249. If you minus 2 from 251, so you will get 249. If you minus 2 from 249, so you will get 247. If you minus 2 from 247, so you will get 245. That's mean after every number 2 is subtracted. After every number 2 is subtracted in this series. So you are basically counting back in twos. You are basically counting back in twos. After 251, you count back, you get 259, 247, 245, and then you get 243. If you check from the number line, that is starting from 243. To make a number line starting from 243, you add 2, 244, 244. You add once 244, 245, 246, 247, and up to 251. And you will see that the pattern is starting from 251. So that means this first row here. Yes.
I write.
Don't need to write it. Don't need to write it. Okay. Look at this pattern. First you just make a number line that is from 243 to 251. Yes.
We should do this in our book.
No, don't need to do it now. Okay, just clear your concept. How
Not
to,
now.
okay,
When
how
class
to,
finishes.
what is skip counting in ones, what is skip counting in twos. To find out skip counting in twos, what you will do here, you will check from here 251 and the number is 249. So you will go 1 and 2. Okay. Then from 249 to 247, how many? 1 and 2. So this is okay. Then from 247 up to 245, also 1 and 2. So you are going back. Then to finding out next, you will also go 1 or 2, 1 and 2. That's mean the answer is now 243. 243 is the number which is coming, which comes next. Okay. Now if I ask you that come to the skip counting in ones. Come to the skip counting in ones. If I ask you, can you tell me what number comes after 169? After 169, what number will come? Yes. After 169, what number will come? Here. In skip counting in ones.
170.
170. Yes, students, all tell me. He is saying 170. What number will come after 169? Yes. Yes, tell me. What number will come after 169? We write the number which will come after 169, that is 170. Okay,
170.
very good. If I ask you here what number come, that is 243. Okay, so what number will come after 243? Can you tell me?
244.
No, 244, because we are going back. We are
200. 205.
to not 245. Listen, guys, listen. We are going back here. We are skip counting in back. We started from here, then we move here 249, then from 249 to 247, then from
There, I
247
don't.
to
I know the
245.
question. There, I know
Yes,
the question.
yes. The answer will be 241.
241.
241. I will go back from 243, 242, 241. Okay. Now we will start studying skip counting in threes. This is skip counting in threes. So look at this number pattern. First 306, then 309. So how much number do I need to add in 306? 306.
Why?
What number should I add in 306 to get 309? Only 3. If I add only 3 in 306, so I will get 309. Okay, that means 3 is added in 306, so I get 309. So after 309, I again need to add 3 in order to find out this number. So when I add 3 in 309, so that will become 312, 310, 311 and 312. Okay, or I just draw a number line here from 306, 7, 8, starting from 306 and up to 315. 307, 308, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. We need to count in threes. So I will check 1, 2 and 3. So from here to here. Now in order to find out this number, I will again move up to 3. 1, 2 and 3. After 309, 10, 11 and 12. Okay, same. Now need to check after when I add 3, I will get 315 or not. So 313, 1, 2 and 3. So the answer is here 312. You have two ways. If you are following the number line, just check the number lines. Draw the number line from the minimum number 306 up to the maximum number 315. Then check after 306 how much number should you leave in order to get 309. 1 and 2 you leave and then you come here. So I draw this line. Then after this you check 1 and 2 number again. So what number you get? You get 312. That means here is 312. Okay. Now 312 is 3 more than 309. So 312 is the missing number. If I ask you after 315 what number comes, can you tell me? Yes guys, can you tell me after 315 what number comes?
318.
Very good, 318. So what we learned today, we learned about the numbers that what comes before. Let's suppose this is 210, this is 211 and this is 212. So we learned about before, after and between concepts. If I ask you what number comes after 250, 210, so you will say sir 211. If I ask you what number comes before 212, so you will say 211. If I ask you what number comes between 210 and 212, so you will say sir 211. Okay, so this is the first thing which we learned today. The second thing we learned about skip counting in ones. If we have number here 125, 126, 127 and dash and 130. So what is the number, which number is missing here? Yes, which number is missing here? 125, we had 120, 126, 127. So that's mean 128.
128.
Answer is 128. 128 is missing here, right? If we count in twos, 123, 125, 127. Now here, what number is missing?
125.
129.
The answer is no, no. Those who are saying
129.
those who are saying 128, they are wrong. Why? Because after
129.
123, you add two numbers here. 5 to 8. The answer is 129. Okay. Okay. If I write here 121, 124, 221, 224, 227, 230, 233. Can you tell me this number?
227. 227.
227. Why 227? Because why? Listen to me carefully. Why 227? Because you are counting in threes. If you check the number, first I need to mute all of you. I can hear too much background noise now. Okay. Why 227? Because if you see that only three numbers is added on the ones. 221, if you add 3, 224. Then to find out this number, you will add three more here. So you will find 2, 4, 227. Again, if you add 3 here, so you will check it's 230, 228, 229 and 230. In that way you are going this. Right? Any problem now? Do you understand it or not?
I understand it.
Very good. Yes.
Sir,
Yes.
page number what?
Look. We are on page number 18. Okay. We are on page number 18. So, if you have any questions, you can ask me. We are going to study up to here only. If you did not get anything, so you can ask me questions. Yes, class. Sharif Ahmed, do you have any question? You raise your hand. Open your mic and ask. Sharif Ahmed. Yes, Sharif Ahmed. Do you have any